Welcome to Part 2 of the American aviation evolution. From legendary frontline fighters to early robotic drones, experience the massive technological leap that ultimately secured global victory. As combat rapidly accelerated, breakthrough engineering transformed basic concepts into unstoppable frontline weapons. Pushing altitude limits, the Lancer integrated advanced turbo superchargers. This complex upgrade allowed American interceptors to maintain powerful engine performance in incredibly thin air high above the battlefield. Bending physics, the Corsair utilized a massive inverted gull wing. This brilliant structural upgrade accommodated a gigantic 2,000 horsepower propeller, resulting in devastating speed for carrier operations. Redefining drag, the Mustang integrated a revolutionary laminar flow wing. Paired later with a legendary Merlin engine, this upgrade perfected long-range bomber escort flights deep into Germany. Packing unprecedented firepower, the Mitchell transformed medium bombers. Its modular nose upgrades allowed staggering arrays of forward-facing machine guns, turning it into a devastating low-level strafing platform. Upgrading naval warfare dramatically, the Dauntless added specialized perforated dive brakes. This unique mechanical feature ensured absolute pinpoint accuracy, sinking multiple Japanese carriers during the Battle of Midway. Sacrificing low-speed stability for pure performance, the Marauder pushed wing loading to the absolute limit. Once mastered, this extreme aerodynamic upgrade created a brutally fast, highly survivable medium bomber. Cleaning up dive bomber aerodynamics, the Helldiver enclosed its heavy payload within internal bomb bays. This crucial drag-reducing upgrade made the heavy beast dramatically faster during carrier strikes. Scaling twin-engine transport to massive proportions, the Commando upgraded heavy logistics. This incredibly powerful frame was specifically designed to haul massive cargo over the deadly Himalayan mountain routes. Perfecting the advanced trainer formula, the Texan finally mirrored actual frontline aircraft handling. This complex handling upgrade honed the dogfighting skills of virtually every Allied fighter pilot worldwide. Enhancing battlefield awareness, the Vigilant integrated leading-edge wing slats. This brilliant aerodynamic upgrade allowed shockingly short takeoffs, providing critical observation transport directly from rough, improvised frontline dirt fields. With the conflict erupting fully, aircraft evolved into specialized, mass-produced titans of destruction. Upscaling interceptors into heavy juggernauts, the Thunderbolt utilized a massive fuselage to house a devastating 8-gun battery. This immense size upgrade created an absolutely indestructible diving ground attack platform. Enhancing regional bombing power, the Baltimore introduced a distinctly deeper fuselage structure. This structural upgrade accommodated heavy payloads while maintaining tight agility in the harsh Mediterranean combat theater. Retiring slow, fragile torpedo planes, the Avenger integrated a massive internal weapons bay. This sleek, rugged upgrade ensured heavy ordnance could be carried efficiently on vital naval carrier strikes. Adapting rapid commercial frames for war, the Ventura received heavy defensive armor and bomb racks. This militant upgrade produced a highly effective, fast-moving patrol bomber for coastal sweeps. Standardizing military logistics, the Skytrain revolutionized the DC-3. Upgrading to massive reinforced cargo doors and heavy structural floors allowed easy loading of jeeps and fully equipped airborne troops. Saving vital aluminum for frontline fighters, the Wichita pioneered all-wood advanced twin-engine trainers. This ingenious material upgrade perfectly simulated bomber flight characteristics without wasting critical combat metals. Stripping away all unnecessary weight, the Grasshopper perfected the ultralight observation role. Its absolute minimalism provided essential, slow-speed, low-level reconnaissance and artillery direction right above the front lines. Removing engines entirely, the Hadrian introduced massive, unpowered combat gliders. This silent, wooden troop carrier upgrade allowed sudden, stealthy airborne assaults, carrying 15 men or a heavy combat jeep. Final stage engineering introduced dominant superweapons, autonomous tech, and completely new methods of flight. Engineered specifically to crush the Japanese Zero, the Hellcat brought massive structural robustness. Upgrading from the Wildcat, it traded tight turning for overwhelming speed, armor, and a brutal kill ratio. Pioneering nocturnal combat, the Black Widow was built entirely around massive early radar sets. This twin-boom upgrade created America's very first dedicated night fighter, hunting unseen bombers in absolute darkness. Reaching the absolute pinnacle of piston technology, the Superfortress introduced fully pressurized crew cabins. This incredibly complex upgrade allowed very heavy bombers to drop devastating payloads from unreachable altitudes. Repurposing a legendary fighter frame, the Apache equipped the sleek Mustang with aggressive dive brakes. This tactical upgrade created an intensely fast, highly accurate ground attack dive bomber for Mediterranean missions. Combining phenomenal twin-engine speed with overwhelming nose-mounted guns, the Invader revolutionized light attack bombing. Arriving late, this heavy firepower upgrade proved incredibly lethal during low-level strafing sweeps. Securing global supply lines, the Skymaster upgraded transport fleets to a 4-engine standard. This massive reliability improvement safely facilitated huge transatlantic logistical moves and critical VIP personnel transfers. Redefining flight entirely, the Hoverfly conquered sustained vertical takeoff. As the world's very first mass-produced helicopter, this revolutionary rotary upgrade opened completely new possibilities for rapid rescue operations. Replacing primitive target planes, the PQ-14 was a faster, highly advanced radio-controlled drone. This massive speed upgrade vastly improved the realism of essential anti-aircraft gunnery training safely. Redesigning heavy bombers for pure maritime defense, the Privateer abandoned its twin tails. This single-tail aerodynamic upgrade provided enhanced stability for grueling, low-level, long-range naval patrol missions. Bypassing critical wartime aluminum shortages entirely, the Conestoga utilized experimental stainless steel welding. This massive material upgrade also featured a revolutionary rear clamshell door for incredibly easy military vehicle loading. Taking helicopters to the next logical step, the R-5 dramatically increased engine output. This powerful two-seat upgrade proved that rotary wing flight could handle real utility and heavy rescue workloads. Glimpsing the automated future of warfare, the TDR pioneered unmanned offensive strikes. This early assault drone was a massive technological leap, acting as a remote-controlled flying bomb against heavily defended targets.